Oh, here they are. So these are my old teeth. Ugh. They actually look whiter. I think there might be a filter on, but yeah. Those are the old teeth. I don't know why I keep saying teeth. Right, and these are the new teeth. So they're from instasmile. Oh my god. So I had to do a mould where you know those dentist things with the putty and you like, it makes you heave. Them, you do them, send it off, and then they make your custom veneers so that they fit onto your teeth. So I'm gonna put them in. This is what they look like on. I only got the top ones. I wish I got the bottom ones as well, because now my bottom teeth look, I think there's a teeth whitening filter on because they don't look that white in real life. But yeah, these are the new teeth. Teeth! Inside your bedroom, we stopped